Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the image and settings ready. Open Personalization now by right-clicking the desktop or pressing Windows+I and choosing Personalization. Once done, select Background on the left so you're in the right pane. This is where you control picture, solid color, or slideshow options. Make sure your image matches the laptop's resolution so it looks crisp, otherwise Windows will scale it and you may see blur or crop. Now proceed to choose the type you want. Next, you pick how the image displays. Select Picture and click Browse to locate your file, then pick it. Windows will preview instantly. If you prefer a rotating set, choose Slideshow and point to the folder. Set the change interval and toggle Shuffle. Make sure to set Fit to Fill, Fit, or Span for multi-monitor so the image isn't oddly cropped. Also check power settings if using Slideshow on battery. Prevent battery saver from pausing slide changes. Finally, apply your choice and verify it. Settings usually apply instantly, so lock the screen or minimize windows to confirm. If you have multiple displays, choose Span to cover all screens or set different images per display. Make sure the file isn't on an external drive that's asleep. If the wallpaper won't change, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart Windows Explorer in Task Manager, and if that fails, check file permissions and update your graphics driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.